Hi, my name is Henry Frank. I started the San Diego Code School program on June 1st. I am on week 1 out of the 12 of the full stack JavaScript course, and I am feeling overwhelmed and excited. Following sort of a script here, giving me talking points to go through. So if I glance over, you'll see I'm checking the script, what's the next talking point. The biggest challenge I faced this week, just understanding JavaScript, understanding how it relates to HTML and CSS. We did a challenge, a paired off coding challenge, and it involved iterating through an array. First time I've seen that. That's an interesting, interesting thing to work through. Lots of little tidbits like that, lots of tips and tricks, the kind of things where I feel like you learn it once or learn how it works and you sort of don't need to learn it again to, ideally, hopefully weeks or months or something from now, a lot of these things that I'm having to struggle through will be second nature, or I'll understand them fundamentally and will be able to use them. But currently I don't have any of those memorized, or well, very few of them. Feels like nearly everything is something I have to Google or ask for help with. I'm able to overcome that challenge or reach my goal. Well, I don't know, my goal being JavaScript competence. Wouldn't say I'm there yet. Getting there, asking people for help, Googling, reading some of the coding challenges we have. I really like that Code Wars site. I find having to apply some thought and figure out what I want something to do, and then have find out the JavaScript syntax to do it. It's really helpful in cementing some of those ideas in my head a lot better than some of the more tutorial-based things are. I mean, obviously I need to understand the basics, but that sort of applied method of having to solve a problem, I think, is really helping me. The most important new thing I learned this week is, boy, all kinds of little JavaScript and CSS tidbits. I sort of piecing together a more comprehensive working knowledge all the time. To pick out one of them would be really difficult, but just incrementing up, the little bits of syntax I understand, methods, what methods are, and how to use some of them. Overwhelming, certainly, very overwhelming. Coming together slowly, hopefully. The advice I have for anyone learning this topic is keep at it. It's a lot. It's a whole lot. Seems like the kind of thing to me that just time. Keep doing it and you'll keep picking up more tidbits, I'm hoping. Seems to be the way it's going for me. More time doing it cements it in my head more firmly. Sort of all seems to be coming together, better. Yeah, as much time as you can possibly put towards it. It seems to be the thing that I think will help get it in there the best. Well, that is it for week 1. See you next week.